So we've got them all up there. So, just before I carry on, guys, what we thought of tonight from all of these? Like, literally, honestly, you should all be so proud of yourself. Remember, guys, no matter what critique you're given and that, this is generally to benefit you, to help you all, alright? So, please take it on board and come back even stronger and stronger. I have to say, me and the girls agreed that in terms of improvement from what I've seen from the audition to now, the standard went up. So you all need to be really, really proud of yourselves. Literally, the standard went up. What a season this is going to be. Literally, this is ridiculous. Like the talent here is amazing. So, obviously, with one of the contestants leaving us this week already, I did announce to all of you early on, and obviously I just cleared it up again for everyone that nobody will be leaving tonight because somebody else left already. Of course, when it comes to next week, if nobody actually leaves on their own behalf, somebody will be leaving, alright, next week. So, just so you're all aware of that, and that continues on throughout the rest of the process. So, somebody will leave from here on out every week, alright? So, just before we carry on, I just got to say, obviously, next week we're going to be beginning the themes, alright? So, this is where the challenges take place. We've kept it quite simple for you all at first, right? We haven't put too much pressure on this theme, but we are going to give it to you anyway, so you all know. So what we actually want you all to do on next week's performances is all of you need to perform a song by an artist or band that inspires you. So this is Inspired Artist Week, so it needs to be somebody who inspires you. You're more than welcome to, for example, Phoenix. There may be somebody you really look up to in the industry, rapper or whatever, so maybe take one of them songs, put your own lyrics on there, that sort of stuff, make it your own. Don't feel like you've got to sing it and do it as the original, you can, but you're more than welcome to make it your own. The same that goes with all of you, Katie Vibes, if you want to take an original song you're inspired by, put your own little snap into it, go for it. The same as all of you, right? Take something by somebody you're inspired by, come out and show us basically who inspires you. What have inspired you to get into music and things, right? So that's going to be the first theme, and like I said, there will be a result next week with somebody is going to have to unfortunately leave us. But honestly, you should all be so proud of yourselves because this journey is going to be really, really challenging for us to plan out because of the talent that's here. And if everyone keeps developing in the way we're seeing it tonight, my God, anything can happen. So play it, bring your A-games, pull it all out to the bag, everything, your vocals, your presentation, and your performance, everything. So whatever you've got to work on, bring it, alright guys? Obviously we are there if anybody wants any help. I know a couple of you do come to sessions and stuff. The studio is there available for sessions, but any of you. Other than that, if you need any help, you can message any of us online, alright? So, well done to you all. What an amazing night. I can't wait to put the performances online. Honestly, you should be proud of yourselves. Yeah.